Got him. Where? Where is he, Buzz? Buzz! Straight ahead of me! Straight where I'm facing, guys! Look, where I'm pointing! Tree line! He's down, he's down! Watch the tree line!
Guys, you got eyes on anyone?
Look the end in this side, that's all these people there.
Where?
The ditch! Ditch on the right, guys!
I know.
You got him.
Aye, I kind of get.
I can't get him, you know. I'm wasting bullets.
Watch out, you're 11 o'clock, mate! 2, 3, pushing left.
Right. There's somebody in that one right in front of us. Is that one of yours? The other side of that fence? The other side of that guy?
Don't know. I'm not going to.
Dinny
I can if you want me to.
Dinny Milky fuck out them too much.
Dinny Milky fuck out them too much. Barry, you still out there? Smoke coming down. 1 o'clock.
Yeah. Straight ahead, yep.
Run away!
Straight ahead, Buzz! Watch your right, come to your right. Just left of the smoke! Going right at the smoke!
Cause I tell it to.
Is that bad guy there? Got him.
Well, you'll be pleased to know I broke it.
Oh no.
No, the gun itself. Oh. You got an Allen key on you?
What? I need cover, mate. Trapped in there. Watch to your right. Got him. Gone! Buzz, watch to your right! We get guys behind us, aye? Good guys.
We did that.
Right, just keep your ears open, your eyes open and on it. Hit!
Second number on the left there.
Bottom, front of the house.
Can you get that boy in the tree?
There's a snip, somebody. Oh, yeah. That's shadow there for. See him in the bottom window as well, at the touch, the right hand side bottom. He keeps popping up. Is that monkey's all gone?
No, it's
Keys. Single shot, close range! Oh, sorry mate, didn't see your hand. Sorry. your tower.
Now to be clear, I've got both guys came down the stairs.
Have you checked it, Chris? Aye.
I've got both guys walked down the stairs. I can't Guys, use this time to refill on my tweed too.
Look your right.
It's also straight, mate, and all. Hit! Push up a bit, guys! Come on, push up a bit! Where is he? Shit. One just behind the plane! Just in front of the plane, just behind the plane. Two behind the plane, one just in front of it. Hit! In the green netting! In the green netting! Buzz! The netting, in the green netting, there's about fucking 3 of them in there! See them, Steve, aye? They're all behind that green netting.
Just lobbing them in, no, I'm not getting them.
I'm pot shotting and all. Definitely a few in there. You did, Chris, aye?
Do you want me to take care of it when I come back?
Was there?
Do you want me to take care of it when I come back?
Never got that. That's me, buddy, sorry. I'm trying to shoot him. He's going right! Bunker right! Coming towards you! Changing mag! Still in that bunker! Aye, window! He's in that window! See him, Chris! He's down! He's down! Fucking cunt, fuck!
Russell broke the wing of the plane.
Did he?
Whoa!
I think there's another guy in the deck about 30 feet straight ahead.
Hey, on my left hand side, the man.
One's down, there's another one, another hanging the ground. Just watch, see something pops up. I think he might be there, they might not be.
What in this act here, aye?
One died, but I thought I see another one behind him, ducked to the ground.
Oh, teammates.
Right. Go, 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 go! Go on, my man! Go on!